Welcome, in front of me is a GIGASET GS190, and today I'll show you how to put the device into boot mode. And to get started, obviously let's hold the power key and select power off. Once the device turns off, which should be right any moment, you do want to wait for it to vibrate, because even though the screen will be completely turned off, the device is still in the process. Okay, still give it some time. Okay, there we go, there was the vibration. So from here, hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. And this will take us to the boot mode. There we go. So as you can see from here, we have only 3 options. Now I'm not sure how visible they are on the... Oh, that didn't help. On the camera. Let me quickly wipe the screen. There we go. So the first option, which I can select each one of them using a volume up key, as you can see. So first option is recovery mode, then we have fast boot mode and normal boot, which will take us back to Android. And whatever you select will then confirm with the volume down. So because I want to leave this mode, I'm gonna stick with normal boot, volume down to confirm it, and this will take me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.